Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of web designs on Fiverr, the go-to platform for finding talented freelancer designers who can bring your website vision to life. And to start with this wonderful service on Fiverr, simply head on over to website design Fiverr or just Fiverr, and after that you can search for this service. And we're gonna choose this link here, the web design service by freelance website designers. So like you see, this is the homepage of Fiverr, and this is my account over here. I show you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos to check out to how to create an account for the first time on Fiverr. And this is all the results that I got for the web designs. I have here 34,421 service available, and this services or the key features here for Fiverr. And also, if you have anything specific in your head and you cannot find this by the filter or in the results, you can just write it on the search board, or you can just easily filter the results by first thing service option. That you have the services here, you can filter them by the e-commerce, business promotion, products and service marketing, or the blog, and also by the WordPress, Wix, Figma or Adobe Photoshop. And also for the service include, we have responsive design, source file, content upload, and prototype. You will find here the number of the results that you will get if you click on any filter from this ones here. And also you can filter them by the seller details, the top rated seller, the new seller. Usually this one is more cheap than this one here, and also the level 1 and level 2. And if you want the seller speak English, Urdu, Spanish or Hindi, and also you have 25 more language, or the local of the seller. Do you want the seller lives in United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, or 149 more country, or just you can click on this one to activate the local seller or the online seller, or also the pro services here. And also you can filter the results by the budget, that means the price from the minimum to the maximum, and you just click on apply to activate the filter. Or also we have the delivery time express, that means 24 hours, or if you want just up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or anytime. And also you can just click on apply. Now let's try to see the different services that we get on Fiverr. We have hundreds of the results, and just to see them all and choose the perfect one for you. Like example, if we want to choose this one here, this is the information that we need to know before we buy the gig. First thing, we have the seller over here, the attractive DI is his level as 2, and this is how he produced his gig. He said that I will design your Figma XD or the PCD web mockup. They had or he had 5 stars, 80% that buy the gig, and the price is from $50. We will see later why it's from and not 50 specifically. Okay, now you can just click on the gig to buy it, or if you want to see it later, you can click on this heart to save to the list, and after that you will find it on here, the lists. Okay, now let's come back to it and try to buy the gig. First thing, you can just click on it. So this is the gig here, and also a lot of the designs for the same seller or same designer. And this is the information about the gig over here. You need just to read them before you buy the gig. And also you'll find some views for users for the Fiverr, and all what they say about the gig or about the seller or about the application, or everything that you may need to know about the application, the site, or the designer, the seller, or whatever. So now let's suppose that it's like you, and now you need to buy it. First thing, you need to choose one plan from this. You have basic, standard, and premium with different prices, of course. In the basic you have $50. With these services, if you buy the gig with the basic, you have save up to 10% with subscribe to save, basic one-page website, or a landing page with 3 until 4 section in Figma, XD, PCD, Sketch, and source file. You have 3 days delivery, 3 revision, 1 page or screen, and source file. If you choose the standard, it will be $150. You will save up to 10% with the subscribe to save, standard 1 homepage, and 3 inner page design in Figma, XD, PCD, Sketch, and source file. You have 5 days delivery, 8 revision, 4 page or sans or screens, and source file. For the premium, you have $350. You will save up to 10% with the subscribe to save, premium 1 homepage, and 6 until 8 inner page design in Figma, XD, PCD, Sketch, source file. You have 10 days delivery, unlimited revision. This is very important in difference between the basic and the standard. You have 9 pages screens, a responsive design, and source file. So after you check out all these plans here, you will choose the plan that it's look perfect for you and click on continue. So we have some other setting here about the quantity. If you want 1 or more, of course the price will be different. And if you want to add another service with a price, of course, if you want to add an extra fast 1-day delivery, you will add $150. If you want add a responsive design 2 or plus 2 days, you will add $85 to the total. If you don't just click on everyone from this, it will say $50. This will be the total, and click on continue. So after that, this will be the total that you will pay if you want to buy the gig. And here, the first thing you need to do is to choose the payment method. Do you want to pay by the credit or the debit card or by the PayPal? If you want to buy with this one, you need to get your card number. It's contained in 16 numbers. You will find it in front of the card, and then the expiration date, the month, the year, security code, or the CVC code. You will find it behind the card. It's the last 3 numbers, the first and the last name, and after that you need just to confirm and pay. And if you want to buy or pay with the PayPal, you need just to continue from the PayPal checkout. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you get understand. If you like the video, please subscribe and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website.